我是贾慧玲，今年36岁，在台湾工作了11年。At first, I was not good in Mandarin, but I always find ways to learn so I could improve myself. I always talk to native speakers, and I did not care if I made mistakes. I knew I could improve in the long run. Both online classes and face-to-face classes help boost my confidence to speak in front of many people without fear and with full confidence. Thank you, MILG, for giving us the opportunity to learn Mandarin in such a happy and supportive class. To those who are struggling to learn Mandarin, don't give up. Remember that everyone starts from scratch. No one is already good in everything. Don't get discouraged when someone tells you that you can do it. Prove them that they are wrong. To everyone